Welcome to Talent Tuesday. This is Kim's Art Alchemy, and if you're following along in the premiere, you would have seen, hopefully, Marie Louise and her wonderful creation that premiered just before me. And if you happen to miss it, please make sure you go back and check it out. Okay, I am going back to doing a Bloom plus Larramar, double Larramar. And in this case, I'm gonna use black and red, I thought this time. So to that end, grab a stick. I'm using Color Passion, Black Passion. And I mixed up actually a total 2 ounces of Nic Pro resin, this resin right here. And I didn't use quite all of it. There's just a little bit left, probably about 10 grams. And I did decant 10 grams over here. So the 2 ounces would have been about 60 grams, just less than that. And then I didn't end up using it all. So just to let you know, I'm wondering if, ooh, that might be too opaque. That is looking really opaque. I think I need to redo that. Okay, we're gonna swap those out. I forgot. I put the amount in as if I had 20 to 30 grams of resin. Okay, I'm gonna go easy because I'm using the paste. I'm just gonna use a little bit, maybe that much. Okay, here we go. Because you do want it to be opaque. I mean, semi-transparent, not opaque. Okay, I'm liking this better. Phew. Good thing I had that extra. So I poured the rest in here, just covered it with a thin layer, and I'm just gonna do a super tiny bloom. If you've followed my channel, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about and what I'm doing. Let me put this away before I create more of a mess. Let me see, any more bubbles to pop? I think I'm okay. All right, so mixed up the Nic Pro. It got to 33, 34 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that's pouring nicely. And I want to do a black and red Larramar. So I'm gonna do the rose in the middle as black. Yeah, I've never done a combination of black with a color. So we're gonna learn together how this works. And I'm gonna have to remind myself here to not get too crazy with the bloom because I do want it to be small. Just need it to cover the center area. And I will swirl. I think that's about all I need. All right, I got a lot of black left. Stick. And we're going to deblob and swirl. When I get that nice rose center in there, that should be perfect. And then we'll just drag these out. And this is how you can shape your bloom as well. All right, I like it. I like it, I like it. Simple as that for the first step. Welcome back. My bloom has cured, so I'm gonna do my bloom and Larramar technique. And this was a red Larramar that I did ages ago using Art Pro resin by Resin Pro. Today, I'm going to be using Resin Pro's Transparente resin, which, thanks to Julie Cutts, have found that it works so much better with these Larramars. You can kind of see that the white makes the color a little fuzzy, dilutes it a little bit. which you don't get as much with the Transparente. I'll give you an example. Here's a blue one that I did, and it's just so much more crisp, and you've got more depth of color in there. So I'm gonna try and do this red again and see what happens. So you're along for the journey. I mixed up a total of 130 grams of the Transparente, and I divided it 45 grams. The remainder is going to be for my white. And I'm gonna get started. So you're all caught up. I'm gonna put 4 drops. Let me get this out of the way. Sheesh. Okay. I'm using Julie's Bloom Paste for the white. And that's 1. You just want little drops. 2. 3. 4. That's it. 4 little drops. Put that away. I'm gonna get this mixed up. And this Transparente is like water. So you don't need to stick it in a debubble machine because the bubbles come up very easily. It's not to say that you still might not get bubbles, because you totally might. I just want to mix that until it's all mixed in. I can still see some stringiness in there. All right, that's looking good. All right, that can sit. Now I'm going to make 1 darker and 1 lighter. So the Naphthol Red Deep, all of these acrylic inks are by Holbein. I'm going to, is the darker color. So I'm going to make the darker one, the one on the left. I'm going to put in 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got a crusty in there. Gosh darn it. I don't know if you can see it. Get out. I got it. No crusties allowed. And I'm going to put in 1 drop of primary black. Acorn. Shh. There. Tried to make it little. But it's still quite light in there, see? All right, that's my dark. And then I am using quinacridone red, and we're gonna do 5 drops of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think everything is all mixed up. We are ready to roll. And the first thing that goes in with the Larramar is your white. So we're going to get that in. Well, it seems like no matter how hard I try, I still don't manage to get all that white mixed in. Well, just do a little mixy there. Got it. Okay. That first one's in. I'm going to pop all those bubbles now because I don't want to pop bubbles after I add the other 2. So, oh, come on. All right. Then we do the dark, and then we do the light. Ready? dark. You totally know that it's working when that white just comes up over. And that's it. Now I get to put you all on a time lapse. So I'll be back. We're back and it's cured. Let's see what we got. Hopefully we got a clearer, more 3D version than this one. Are we ready? Oh, that is magnificent. Wow. Just wow. Okay, you're coming down. Oh my gosh, look at that. What a gorgeous rose. Oh, I love that. And then just look at the Larramar lines and the color depth in there. I'm so excited with this piece. It is incredible. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. So stay tuned because next week I'm gonna try this in reverse. And I will explain more about that in my next video. But thank you as always for being here. And of course, if you missed Marie-Louise, LouiseArt, and her video, which would have premiered just before mine, please make sure you go back and check it out. Her link will be, or the link to her video, will be in my description below. So thanks again for being here. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell to all. Catch you on the next video. Bye for now.